What if this tiny $2 module could compromise your device in minutes? In industries, engineers use UART to debug devices, but these interfaces remain exposed. Attackers can turn raw data into a valuable information. Here's how it works. The debug interface exposes device data as binary. The USB to UART TTL converter, transistor to transistor logic, converts the device binary signal into USB protocol that a computer can understand. With just physical access and a cheap USB to UART converter, an attacker can get instant root shell access, often with no passwords, dump your entire firmware and reverse engineer it, steal cryptographic keys, API credentials, and customer data, modify the device behavior, or install persistent backdoors, interrupt the boot process and disable security features. This is not rare. Security researchers regularly hack smart cameras, medical devices, industrial sensor, smart locks. Using nothing more than this simple method, the compromised device can expose intellectual property, sensitive data, and customer trust. For industrial and critical systems, the impact can be much greater. So the solution is hiding debug interfaces in production, implement secure boot, validate hardware security before release. On strengthening, we help organizations identify and mitigate hardware security risks before attackers find them. So before attackers exploit, protect your hardware.